Hi, Christine. My name is Marcel Lissard. I'll be the one conducting the interview today on behalf of Creole and Beyond. So we're very happy to have you.
Thank you.
All right. So then we're just gonna jump right into the question. So the first question I have for you, how do you think we can foster a sense of pride in our youth about the Creole language?
Okay, so to foster a sense of pride in Creole language, I believe in creating spaces that allow Creole to be celebrated and where children could also feel themselves represented through the language. I bring in many cultural and multilingual events. I also include my stories, which are bilingual, Haitian Creole, and English stories into events that I do, through music that I play for children, storytelling and everyday interactions and conversations. I build a sense of pride. I think it's also important to talk to children about the history of
Mm-hmm.
Creole, where
Mm-hmm.
Creole comes from, or history or culture, the strength that we have, and everything, all the meaning that Creole carries throughout the world. You
Mm-hmm.
know, I believe it's important that they understand the significance of our language.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully that helps them shift the way they view it, not just something that we speak at home, but it's
Mm-hmm.
something that we should all be proud of. And
Mm-hmm.
when kids see themselves represented in books that we write, in media, movies, shows, texts, when they hear it in songs and music, and nursery rhymes, right?
Mm-hmm.
And jokes, and they're able to use it freely and with more confidence and with pride. So there's a saying that says representation matters, and I strongly believe that language representation matters in order to build pride.
That makes sense. Awesome. The
Mhm.
next question. How do you feel about Haitian Creole Children's Book Week and Creole and Beyond?
Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. When I found out that Creole and Beyond was hosting a Haitian Creoles Book Week this year, I was very excited. When I heard about it, I was like, "Oh my God, this is such a beautiful idea!" And I was like excited to participate. And I'm
Hmm.
so thankful that you included me
We're
and
happy to
Viv
have you.
Book. Yes, as part of this, I think this is such a great way to promote our heritage, our culture, and our language. I love seeing events like this that promote our language.
Hmm.
And through language, we promote culture, identity,
Hmm.
and acceptance. We need more spaces like this.
Yeah.
And, it's powerful to see Creole-centered events, especially for children, and it also includes their families.
Hmm.
So I appreciate more about this event, and what I like about what Creole and Beyond is doing this year. It teaches families that they could build language skills not just through conversations at home, but they could also build it in different settings through games, music, arts and crafts, storytelling, jokes, everyday interactions. I really like the activities that Creole and Beyond has set up, so I'm looking forward to it. So yes.
Yeah, we're very
And
excited and we've been working hard on this.
yes, and it shows that language could be taught in a playful, fun, interactive, and creative way, and you could integrate it in everyday life. Yeah.
Uh,
So, I really like how you include children to be part of storytelling and also to experience Creole in a very hands-on way. And that way, I believe the language, new vocabulary that they learn will definitely stick with them when they apply the language throughout
mhm.
many different activities.
Nice.
So,
Yeah, that's a good
and I
point.
really appreciate how Creole and Beyond is pushing the culture forward
Of course.
through Haitian Creole Book Week. So thank you for this, and thank you for the opportunity.
Of course, you're welcome. At the end of the day, if we don't embrace it, who's gonna embrace it? So
Exactly.
it's
I agree.
ours, we have to embrace it.
I agree.
So the last question I have for you, what is your advice to parents raising bilingual kids like in foreign lands, not just the US, like all in like in foreign country?
So I believe it's important for parents to know that being bilingual is a superpower. And there is research on this that proves
Mhm.
that the more languages that a child is exposed to, the better it is for their brain. It's
Mhm.
healthy for the bilingual brain, a multilingual brain too.
Mhm.
So, speaking multiple languages better for the brain in terms of cognition, in terms of, problem solving, improve
Mhm.
memory, improve vocabulary. Your vocabulary is stronger, when you're bilingual or
Mhm.
multilingual, right?
Yes.
And not only that, with bilingualism, comes, empathy,
Mhm.
understanding other cultures, making connections with other people across the
Mhm.
globe, right? And also
Mhm.
building identity. It's part of your identity, your language,
Of
what language
course.
you speak. Yeah. So, and also bilingualism creates so many opportunities for you, for your child in the
Mhm.
future. Think about so many like job opportunities children can have in the
Mhm.
future if they speak many languages. So I strongly believe that,
Mhm.
raising bilingual children is so important. Talking to your child in your native language or second, third language, whatever language you speak, it's
Mhm.
so important to them. So like I said before, you could teach language through storytelling, through music, folk tales, reading books together, playing games together, cooking together through food, you could learn language. So just
Mhm.
make it part of your everyday life. That's my biggest advice. Make it part of your everyday life and your
Mhm.
routines, and this is how you connect and build language skills. Yeah, and also let children feel proud of their language. You
Mhm.
know, the way
Yeah.
you talk about language at home really shapes how they see it. And
True. Yeah.
if you use it frequently and daily, they will too. So I
Mhm.
strongly recommend, bilingualism. Yeah.
Very nice.
So
Very nice. Well, Justin, this conclude our interview. Do you have any questions? Like any advice you could give us for Creole and beyond?
I would just say I mean, continue doing the wonderful work that you're doing,
Mhm. We appreciate your
and
love.
yeah,
Yeah.
and just to, keep us posted with like any new updates, because I'm very excited about it and I can't wait to share the good news with, my many other friends,
Mhm. But we
colleagues of
appreciate your support, and we really we know that you have a very busy schedule, but you still find a way to craft some time to talk to us. So we appreciate that a lot.
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you for your time,
And
and
many happy
we'll stay
holidays.
connected for sure. Okay, Chris.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.